Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. Pitman Shorthand Instructor Book Dictation. Exercise number 101. Get ready for the dictation. Start. On Wednesday. Last in the Memorial Hall Workshop. Mr. Walter Wild of Wakefield delivered an extremely fascinating lecture on the empire. He referred to the enormous size of the dominions, to the millions of people of various races living in them, and to the bewildering variety of animal life to be found in the area, included in the empire. He deplored the frequent wars which had weakened British South Africa in the past, and expressed his belief that the future would tell a very different story. Mr. Wild spoke in warm appreciation of the ever-growing love between the dominions and the mother country, and declared that genuine affection was the best possible bond of union between us. Subsequent speakers included Messrs. Hardwick, Shadwell and Wagstaff, and the audience accorded a warm expression of thanks to Mr. Wild for his lecture. Stop. Thank you.